Alright, can I be honest with you for a moment? There's a certain frustration you feel when your setup almost keeps up. Almost. That's where this starts, with the Alienware Aurora. This is for the kind of person who values smoothness more than hype. You notice inconsistency immediately. A frame dip here, a hitch there, fans getting louder than they should. You're not obsessed with maxing everything out, you just want things to feel right. Before we go any further, take a quick look at the current price and stock. Desktops like this tend to fluctuate quietly, and waiting usually turns into annoyance later. There's a very clear upgrade moment. You boot into a game or jump into a heavy multitasking session and instinctively expect to dial things back. You're ready to compromise like you always have. But then you don't need to. Everything feels stable. Predictable. You realize you've been working around weak gear for way too long. Once you leave behind older, louder systems, there's a sense of mental relief. No more wondering if today's update will push your machine over the edge. No more tweaking settings just to stay comfortable. You sit down, and the system meets you where you are. You feel it during long gaming sessions when performance stays consistent instead of slowly degrading. You feel it when you're switching between apps, tabs, and tasks without that creeping slowdown. You feel it late at night, when the machine stays composed instead of sounding like it's fighting for air. Even casual use feels smoother when the system isn't constantly under stress. This isn't about bragging rights. It's about balance. The performance feels clean, controlled, and dependable, the kind you can actually live with every day. If you're even slightly considering it, don't wait around for stock shifts or sudden price jumps. Systems in this range have a habit of becoming inconveniently unavailable. You might hesitate because it doesn't scream excess. That's actually the strength. It gives you headroom without punishing you with noise, instability, or wasted power. You stop paying attention to the machine because it finally does what it's supposed to do. The surprise benefit shows up over time. You trust it. Updates don't scare you. New games don't feel risky. Your setup becomes something you rely on instead of babysit. There's a quiet pride in owning something this well judged. It feels intentional. Like you chose competence over chaos. Feels smooth and real use stays stable session after session, noise stays under control, handles daily loads confidently, easy to live with, not built for extreme overclocking, air cooling isn't silent. Eventually, you stop bouncing between options and realize you've already made the decision in your head. You keep coming back to the same system because it fits how you actually use your PC. Don't let this turn into another upgrade you postpone while your current setup keeps reminding you what it can't do. If this aligns with your needs now, trust that instinct, check availability, and move forward with confidence.